So what's going on today?
So today we're going to fix the chair that we got with the love seat or the settee.
That old settee chair, right.
That. Oh, I see.
When I say worst shape, I mean it.
Oh boy, yeah, that is, it's rough, hey?
So it doesn't have legs or what?
I don't know that it has legs.
Nice.
Okay.
No, there's no legs.
No leg. I'm not seeing any legs either.
Yeah, I'm not sure if there's any legs left.
That's okay.
Oh, of course we parked 2 houses away. That's how we like to do it when we buy heavy things. Oh man, you might have just found it.
Thank you.
He just said this isn't the bottom of your chair, is
I
it?
think
He
it is.
Pulls it out of the
It absolutely.
depths of the
Wow.
garage. I think that's it.
Wonderful. Yep, that's it. First we have to reattach this piece. This is the rocker piece. See how it's on this side here. So what we're gonna do is reattach it here. Looks like they had dowels in here that I don't know how they broke off. That's pretty good way to repair furniture, but so we're gonna re-drill those and put new ones in and glue them in. Some glue.
Dowels.
Okay, yep.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, I have to tighten it up though. Okay, so should probably let that dry and then we'll put the actual rocker piece on, well, the very bottom, the legs.
One nap later.
Okay, it's been about 45 minutes or so. The glue should be mostly set up. We'll still be careful with it, but we're gonna put the bottom part on now. Okay, so it's gonna go on like that. And then we just have to screw it on and that's it. Now you gotta make sure that the screw is not longer than the wood you're putting it in. So we've made sure that it's close because we want it to bite as much as we can, but don't want it to be too long so it pokes out the other side. Okay, and I'll do the other side.